In the last tutorial, we had created multiple objects inside a single scene and also positioned those objects using different methods. But to create an interactive animation, we need to animate these objects perfectly. And to achieve it, one of the most popular methods are called transformations. So in this video, we will be learning how to apply transformations to an object. So watch the video till the end. Okay, to learn about transformations in Manim, let us open the reference menu and then click on Animations and then click on Transform. It contains many classes to transform an object. So first of all, let us click on a simpler one, Fade to Color. It is a transformation that changes color of an object by taking object and color as a parameter. Now let us look into one more, that is Fade Transform, which transform one object into another by fading. So it takes object and target object as a parameter. Now to apply any transformation, you must look into this reference menu, the documentation, and you can apply any transformation to any object by looking all these attributes and examples. So let us jump into our Manim folder and start writing some code to create a transformation. Okay, so I have created a transforms.py file inside which I have created a transform scene along with some other objects. If you have watched our previous tutorial, then you can easily create those objects. Now to run the animation, we need to use self.play so that it can play the animation. Now, so first of all, let us use fade to color transformation. So for that, we will write self.play fade to color, and using its syntax, it's the object and color it needs. So we will enter object formula 1, let's say, and let us set the color is equal to yellow. Also, to run an animation inside self.play, we can set the time that it will take to run. For that, it takes a parameter runtime. Let us enter 1.5. So now let us open our terminal and let us run this. See, it has first written this and then how it transforms the color of this object. Now let us try one more, that is the fade transform. And for that, I have created a square and circle object. So first of all, we need to fade those objects. Fade in circle, and now fade in square. Okay, let us comment it out. Then I will write self.play fade transform. Okay, it needs object and target object as a parameter. So first one is a circle and second one is a square. But actually we don't need to fade in square, we will only fade in circle and then apply a fade transformation. So now let us set the runtime is equal to 1.5. Also here let's set a self dot wait for 2 seconds so that we can observe the animation perfectly. Now again let us run this scene. See how is it doing the fade transform. So now let us comment this out and try some other transformation. For that, let us open our Manim reference manual and apply replacement transform. So there is a transformation named as replacement transform, or it is transforming this into this, and it also takes object and target object as a parameter. So I have created two formula scenes for that, and first of all we will be fading in formula 1. So self dot play fade in formula 1. So it will simply fade the formula 1, and let us enter self.wave so that we can observe the animation. Now self.play replacement transform formula 1 to formula 2. Okay, now again set a runtime of 1.5 and we can add a weight. Again, let us run this. See, it has written this formula and then transform it into this one. But if we doesn't want to remove this formula one from screen and also transform this, then we can apply dot copy here. It will transform by copying it from formula 1 to formula 2. Now let us again run this and see the difference, how it will be running. See, it creates first in formula and then replacement transform by copying it from first to another. Okay, perfect. Now let us open this manual and try some more transformations. Okay, so we can do this scale in place transformation. What it does, it scales an object in the place. Comment it out and so we will scale a circle. So first of all, fade in circle object, fade in circle, and then self dot play scale in place circle, and there is a parameter called scale factor. So we will set a scale factor of, let us enter it to be 2, and let's enter self dot weight here. Again self dot weight for 2 seconds. Now again run a program and let us see the output, how it scales this object. See, it creates a circle and then it scales it. But or if we want to restore it back, for that we have another transformation restore here. What it does, it transforms an object to its last saved state. Note that we don't have saved the state here, and to save it we use the save state function. So let us open our state and we need to save the state here, self dot, not self but circle, some object whose state we want to save, dot save state. Now it will save the state of the circle and now we will restore it. It's very important to save its state first. So restore circle object and then enter a self dot wait for 2 seconds. So let us run it again and see how it restores the state of an object. See, it scales and then it restores it back. Perfect. Okay, so this was all about how to apply a transformation to an object inside a Manim. Until yet, we have applied some simple transformations, but in the next video, we will be applying some complex transformations to objects. So for that, stay tuned with us by subscribing our channel. Also, I will upload the source code of this session in the GitHub repository, so don't forget to check out that. And I'll meet you in the next session. Till then, take care and bye bye.